So in this video we're going to be talking about adding the right hand harmony to the replaced pillars and passes we did the other time. So instead of playing it straight like this, instead of doing that, we're doing something like this. So that's different. We were doing the right hand harmony and we were equally changing the passes and all. And I'm trying to use the same exact replacement I used in the previous episodes, right? Now, how did I do that? So, re, do, re, so. We already know why we picked so as a family member of the mi, right? And I'm harmonizing with do and this because they are here. But if your hand is not big enough to do this, you can do this. Right? So I did. For fa, I'm still using do, so because the right hand still has that chord on. Remember, it's the family here. Fa is a passer, so still the same right hand harmony. When I go to T, I've changed the harmony for T to So because I've changed the chord. So, okay, the harmony is So because there is So notes in the So left-handed. You understand? Alright? But if my hand wasn't big enough, I'll do something like this. Right. That's it. Watch me now. Instead of just going to mi directly, I use some pentatonic scale to introduce it. One very important thing I want you to always do is to watch the fingers the person playing is using. So I use this finger and this finger to. Don't just watch the keys being played, watch the fingers used to play it. The same so harmonized by these two. And if your hand is small, you know what to do, right? You do something like this to harmonize it. So okay, this is what I did. I added la to it. La, do, mi, right? Watch me. You see that? I'm always harmonizing with So because I'm on the So chord. So basically, watch the fingers I used, and you will see how to harmonize with your passes. So at the end of the day, when you're playing your song to people, initially you play the first time. Sorry. Right? But the next time, sorry. I'm trying to be fast and I missed it, but then you know what I'm trying to do. You always change it. You can equally create other variations of your replacements and it sounds differently all the time. So basically that's this lesson for you. See you in the next episode.